In this video, we will be learning how to use Claude Design effectively, how you can generate your first design, what is design system, how you can edit your design in a beginner level. So if you want to learn about Claude Design, make sure to watch the complete video and do not forget to subscribe. Now let's dive in. So guys, I've created this basic flowchart where we will go through step by step. And step one is where we'll be studying the interface, how the Claude Design interface is, how to build your first design. That's our second step. And that's our third step. And how to export your Claude code when you design something in Claude Design. And the fifth step, which is the most important, which most of the people skip. So make sure to watch the fifth step. So let's go to the first step where we will be checking out the interface of the Claude Design. So all you have to do is just go to claude.ai/design, and that's how the interface looks like when you go there. First, we have prototype, we have slide deck where we can generate PowerPoint presentation. Here we have from template where we have basically on our right hand side examples of these different designs where you can choose any of the design by simply clicking on use this prompt, and it's gonna create that design for you. Whether you want to create a nice looking calculator, you want to create a mobile app, or you want to create a nice looking landing page, we'll be checking in our second step and how to generate your first design. First, I wanted to go over the interface. In prototype, we have these two options. One is the wireframe and the second one is high fidelity. If you're starting from the scratch and you just want a rough design, you can go with the wireframe, but I recommend you go with the high fidelity because that's when you will get a complete design, whether you're generating a mobile app design or a landing page design. In the slide deck, we can, as it says, it's going to generate you a PowerPoint presentation or a presentation. We will also be testing that, and I've already discussed from template. Now setup design system and something which I'll be discussing later down in the video. So then our first design, so let's go to our second step, which is building our first design. So I am going to design a landing page for a Shopify agency, so let's just name it landing page. And I'm going to click on create. Make sure you select high fidelity just as I have selected. I'm going to click on create. And here you can see that on the right hand side, we have the project showing up, and on the left hand side, we have the option to add in the prompt. And here, if you notice, we have high-fi design and interactive prototype already selected. Now you can add in all of these files like design system, screenshot, attach code base, or drag in a Figma file. I'm not going to add in these details. I'm just going to give it a test prompt to see what we get. So please generate a design of landing page for Shopify development agency. Perfect. Hit enter. Now you can see that it's asking me more question about what type of landing page I need to build. What's my agency name? So first I'm going to give my agency name, which is WebSensePro. By the way, if you guys need any help with your Shopify store development or any bug fixing, there is a link in the description. You can contact us via that. Okay, I'm going to give my agency name. And let's select some of the options here. Bold in graphics. I'm going to select multiple sections here. Here we have the option of 3 designs as well. But notice that Claude Design is going to consume separate limit, and it is different than Claude Code. And if you want to learn the basic of Claude AI, I have created a different tutorial for that. It's just specifically for Claude Design, but for the basic use of Claude AI, I have created a separate video. You will find the link in the description. Okay, now let's select the copy tone. Perfect. I think that's more than enough. I'm going to click on continue to see what it gives us. Okay, we have our awesome looking landing page ready to go. So if I click on this present and then click on in this tab, you can see that we have a really nice looking animated landing page where we have hover animations, where we have, obviously we haven't given the logo, so it's not the actual logo of my company. And here we have animation which pauses when I hover over it, and all of these nice looking animations which looks really cool. I mean, I have just given one line prompt and you can see it has added all of the content which is relevant to the Shopify development agency, Shopify Plus migration, CRO revenue, headless and hydrogen. All these terms are very connected with Shopify development agency, and I haven't given it any context. Okay, we are done with our second step, which is building our first design. Now we will move on to refining our design. Let's say you want to change the fonts, let's say you want to change some text, you want to change some colors and logos. How you can do that? So you can simply click on edit and it will open up this sidebar where you can basically edit anything. Like if you want to add the text, you can see that I have these fields showing up where I'm simply gonna click and I can add any text I want, and I can change the fonts from the right hand side. And if I want to change the colors, I can do that as well, right? And one other cool thing which we have is this draw. So let's say if you want to remove an object or if you want to add something on your design, you're simply gonna click on this draw and draw whatever you want or wherever you want, and simply gonna prompt it here. So type here anywhere to add a note and then click on send, and it will add this object or remove the object, whatever you want to remove on that design, which is also really awesome. So that's how you can refine your design. Now we will move on to the fourth, which is exporting. Exporting is also super simple in Claude Design. So if you want to export to Claude Code or Figma, all you have to do is just click on this share button, and here we have the option of download project as zip. We can export it as PDF, we can export it as PowerPoint presentation, we can send directly to Canva just by clicking on this link here, and we can export as standalone HTML, and none other than Claude Code. You can hand off to Claude Code. Now, if you want to learn more about Claude Code as a beginner, again, I have created a different video for that. Link will be in the description. So that's how you can export it to Claude Code. Now we will move on to the fifth step, which is the most important step, which most of the people are missing right now, whoever using Claude Design, which is design system. So if I go back, you can see that we have this option setup design system. So before generating the slide deck, before generating your prototype with high fidelity, it's really important to give more context to Claude Design. And how you can do that, just by clicking on setup design system, and it will open up this tab where you will give a detailed prompt about your company name, about whatever business you are doing, or you can also give link of your GitHub. You can drag and upload Figma file, you can drag and upload fonts, logos, assets, and you can add in any other notes. Note that the better the context you will provide to your AI tool, the better the result and output you will be getting. No matter you're using Claude Design, Claude Code, or any other AI tool, if you're not providing enough context to your AI system, you're not going to get better output or better results. So make sure to provide as much context as you can. And in terms of Claude Design, you can provide context using design system, which I just showed you guys. Now at the end of this video, I would like to notify you guys that the Claude Design is a paid tool which come with a $20 tier with the Claude Code, but the usage limit is different from Claude Code. So if I go to the usage under settings, you can see that this is for the Claude Code, and this is for the Claude Design. So Claude Design is going to be used really fast if you generate multiple design. I have just generated 2 design, and you can see that I have already consumed 14% of my limit. So make sure to keep that in mind. And that's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.